Copilot is your AI-powered assistant provided to you by Microsoft, and right now, a lot of people are confused by AI or even concerned about it. In this video, we wanted to help you better understand Copilot and why it's your friend and not your foe. Copilot is a tool designed to help you get things started or improve some of your in-progress work by being your AI assistant, which means it needs you. Copilot requires your input to guide it, your documents to help build or expand on responses, your creativity for designing, and your expertise for fine-tuning. Let's take a look at Copilot in action. I need to create a blog post for my organization's intranet encouraging the user community to complete an emotional intelligence course we're now offering. I'll launch Word and select this Copilot icon here. In the field, I'll ask Copilot to help me get this started. Using the Reference a File button, I can include some documents that I've created as support material that Copilot's going to use to build its response. Next, I'm going to use the Generate button to get that draft started. Now we can watch as Copilot creates my response. When Copilot completes the draft, I can use this button to have Copilot regenerate a new response for me. Or I can use this field to provide specific feedback that outlines the changes I want to see. Once I'm happy with the draft, I'll choose to keep it. Now, all that's left to do is review the draft and insert my own creativity and my expertise to really fine-tune this document. Another benefit of having Copilot as your assistant is that it will help you review and analyze documents quickly. I have a really important presentation coming up where I'm going to present the 2024 project map. I need some suggestions on how I can improve this presentation, but all of my teammates are busy in meetings, and my presentation is only an hour away, so I'm going to select the Copilot chat within the application and get feedback from my AI-powered assistant. And just like that, Copilot's provided some feedback for me to consider. Copilot is great at providing summaries and feedback in documents, but it is also available in Outlook to help you summarize email chains. When Copilot is leveraged for creating summaries, it will always provide you with its references, so you know the replies that it's providing you are rooted in the document or email thread that it's summarizing, making it easy to verify the response that Copilot's provided you. Copilot is integrated into so many Microsoft applications to help us generate ideas and content quickly. Let's take a quick peek at how Copilot can help you throughout your workday in your favorite Microsoft applications. Copilot is available in a lot of different areas of Teams. You can leverage the power of Copilot in your instant message chats to help you summarize a chat conversation. Or use it to adjust or improve an instant message that you've written. And don't worry, Copilot is available in the Post tab of a channel as well to help you improve your post messages too. When it comes to Teams meetings, when transcriptions or recordings are turned on, Copilot is there to help you answer questions in your meeting as it goes. When the meeting has concluded, access the Recap tab to find some AI-generated notes and see if your name was mentioned in the meeting. If the meeting was recorded, you can also access the speaker's markers to identify who spoke and review their statements. Some AI-detected topic areas to help you review important content, and AI-inserted chapters to review the meeting with ease. In Outlook, you can use Copilot to help you draft emails. If your email is 100 characters or more, you can leverage the power of a writer's coach to provide insights and suggestions to improve your writing. Copilot is also great at summarizing your email threads to make catching up on emails that much faster. In Word, you can use Copilot to help you draft or structure new content, or leverage it to enhance, summarize, and understand an existing document. In PowerPoint, you can draft new presentations or transform existing presentations. You can also use it to summarize a presentation or organize a presentation that you've already created. In Excel, leverage Copilot to analyze and find trends in your data tables. Add charts and other visualization elements to really bring your data to life, or add columns to your existing table. If you're using Planner Premium, you can use Copilot to save you time when you're organizing a plan by adding buckets or generating some tasks within your buckets to get started. Soon, Copilot in Planner will also help you analyze your tasks as well as create task summaries. In OneNote, Copilot will help you summarize content you've written on the page. It can create a list of checkable to-do items based on the content you've added. And you can also rewrite your notes, which appears as added content at the top of your page above your notes. In Forms, Copilot can help you quickly generate questions for your survey or poll based on a simple prompt explaining what you need to gather insights on. In the Loop application, you can use Copilot to quickly brainstorm a list of ideas or summarize content that you've added to a component within a page of the Loop application. At this time, Copilot is not available in the Loop components that we've added to any Teams posts, chats, or leveraged in meeting notes. In a Microsoft whiteboard, Copilot will help you get ideas flowing. And then you can organize those ideas or summarize the content that you've added on the sticky notes on your whiteboard. If you don't know where or how you want to leverage the power of Copilot, you can go straight to the Copilot app, which connects you into your complete Microsoft 365 environment. There are multiple access points to the Copilot app. Through the Microsoft portal by visiting office.com and accessing the Copilot app here, through the chat application in Teams, through the ellipsis in Teams, or by visiting copilot.microsoft.com and signing in with your work credentials. No matter how you get to it, you have anytime, anywhere, and any device access to Copilot, which lets you create new content, understand existing content, prepare for meetings, plan for your day, and improve upon existing content, all from one centralized location. I mean, how cool is that? To summarize, Copilot is your friend because it can save you time when drafting and getting ideas flowing. It's there to help you complete work faster and get to your goals quickly. It is not your foe because Copilot simply cannot replace you. It needs you. Let Copilot help you learn and grow, driving you further on your existing plan to success.